Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add animations to your ShooterKit. Whether you're setting a movement, reloading or shooting animation, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. I'll show you exactly where to place the animation, how to connect them in Unreal Engine and make sure your character moves and responds just the way you want. After you download this package, you have to import your own animations and you can keep it in a player one animation folder. I will attach the screenshots of this so that you may know what animations we need to make this shooter kit work smoothly, and you don't have to miss any logic and functionality of the shooter kit. So these are the animations. I will send the screenshot, attach the screenshots, so you can download all these animations from wherever you want, and or you can just create all your own animation. After you download and import the animation, next step would be to connect it with the blueprints. So in the character blueprint, you will find a folder animation blueprint. This here you can see the path. Okay, so after you have imported the animations, here are the already created files for your animation, but they will not work unless you will import or replace it with your own animation. Like for example, this is an animation blueprint. All the nodes and blueprint has been set and it's working properly according to the shooter kit need. So what you might getting an error in this. So what you have to do, you just have to replace first this animation. This animation might not be available in the pack, so you have to download a death animation and then drag and drop and replace it and connect it with the true pose. So this way you won't get the error. The next thing is the blend space sys file, like this, these. These are the blend spaces file, which is already created and connected in the logic. So you just have to um, replace your animations in those files as well. So let's start with the blend space file of the player character. When you will open the file, the settings and the dots will already has been provided. What you have to do, you just have to drag and drop your own animation on the dot provide. So like this, the base line is for the idle animation. If you don't know where to drag and drop what animation, you can here I will tell you. So the baseline is for idle animation. As you can see, our player is in idle mode. The second line is for walk animation. Okay, so you can drag and drop your walk animation here, your left animation here, left walk, right walk, and back, backwards walk. Then the run animation. If you we want to our character to sprint, so we have to add the run animation as well. So you have to drag and drop your run animation here, run left, run right, and run backwards. Once you will replace all the dots with your own animation and save the file, this file will start working properly. Same way, blank space of pistol. When you have to import all the pistol animation, like character holding the pistol, and you can drag and drop your animation like this. So it will work properly. Same way, we'll have blank space for pistol aiming, rifle, and rifle animation. So if we open the pistol aiming, we have the animation in which the player is in a shooting pose or is aiming on an enemy. So you can easily download these animations, and just you have to just replace these animations by drag and drop on the dots which you will already find in the files. and the rest is taken care of. Okay, one more thing. When you will download the animation, you have to also replace the animation in the animation montage file, which will be provided to you. It's like hit reaction and firing and reloading. Just open the file, and what you have to do, you have to replace this animation with your own animation. You will not receive the animation in this pack, so you have to download it to use the shooter kit properly. Another thing which I would like to tell you is that in the weapon blueprint, if you will double click the rifle blueprint, for example, in the weapon information, you will get all these pre-created function what features where you can just drag and drop your FX and sound. So if you will not add the FX like impact effect and like flash and blood effect, for example, you won't be able to hit the enemy. So you have to download your own FX and sound animation, and then just you have to just drag and drop this in the boxes provided, and then you're good to go. You can easily hit the animation and the you can easily hit the anime, my bad, and all the other features will be automatically provided to you. So, and this here you can also change the damage amount of current ammo, mag ammo, and mag of the weapons according to your needs. So it is very flexible to use, and if you find any problem finding these, you just have to click the blueprint folder, and then you have to get in weapons, and then you have to click the weapon, the respective weapon you want. So like this is BP rifle, BP is for blueprint, and then in weapon info you will get all these options. So you can easily manage according to your need. I have also attached a video where you can see how this shooter kit will work if you will provide all the effects, sound, and how it will react with the environments. So you can check that video out. Um, One more thing I would like to point out, like if you are importing the anime character, make sure that it's using the same skeleton mesh as the player character, because that's why we don't have to create another a set of animation blueprints for the enemies. They can easily use the that we have for character. So this is something to make sure. And after doing all this, if you find any problem or issue, um, and if you need help, you can freely reach me out. I'll be happy to help you guys, and hope you'll create a great game or whatever you want. And this pack would be will add um, will reduce your load, because all the blueprints and logics have already been created. So I hope you create a nice game or whatever you want from this pack, and I hope it would be helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for buying this pack again, and um, take care till then.